Hello, everybody. This is Pastor Phil. If you have found this video, it's probably because you are looking for our Tuesday night live stream. And I want to let you know that tonight at church, we are actually continuing our Tuesday night series, What in the World? We're continuing the same theme, but we at the last minute had an opportunity to have a guest with us. This particular guest has a lifetime of experience with politics in South and Latin America, especially the communism and Marxism and the things that that does to the church and to the people in those nations. And he happens to have firsthand knowledge of some of the things that are happening in Latin America right now. So we're able to actually have him in to come and talk to us and about what's going on and give us an update even on how the church is doing and how we can pray and support the church through some very difficult times. So I'm afraid that tonight we're not able to live stream. It would just be too dangerous in too many ways. If you're able to physically make it, then please feel free to do so at the church at 6 p.m. tonight. But otherwise, sorry that this is here in place of the live stream. We'll be back again with the regular Tuesday night Bible study in 2 weeks. So no live stream this Tuesday night, no live stream the next Tuesday night. We're doing a different all-church thing, but then we will restart the following Tuesday night with our normal series and live stream. Thanks again, everybody, and we look forward to seeing you then.